Python comprehension loop for dictionary. Beginner question. I have a dictionary as such. I would like to count the true values where key is 1. How should I modify my code?
Access only the one attribute. This makes use of the fact that true is equal to 1 and false is equal to 0. If not every item contains the key 1, you should use the .get method. .get returns the second argument if the dict does not contain the first argument. If one can also point to numbers, you should explicitly test for is true. If you don't want to hide the summation in the Boolean, you can do it more explicitly with
list can count occurrences of values, so making use of that is probably most idiomatic.
You can use filter to filter the list of any values where 1 doesn't map to true. Then, just return the length of the list.
Try this. Note, please do not use this answer as it's definitely not as good as other answers.
If you're vant til å se more, bruk kanskje subscribing.